This video provides a comprehensive step-by-step guide on genome-wide analysis using Plantmol.com, tailored for students, researchers, and professionals in the fields of plant genomics, molecular biology, and bioinformatics. Genome-wide analysis is a critical approach in modern biology that helps identify, classify, and functionally characterize genes across different plant species. In this tutorial, we begin with the foundational step of creating a login phytosome, which is essential for accessing genomic data. From there, we guide you through the process of choosing an appropriate topic for genome-wide analysis, focusing on relevant traits, gene families, or biological pathways that align with agricultural and scientific goals. Once a topic is selected, the video demonstrates how to retrieve and download protein sequences from UniProt, ensuring that high-quality, annotated data forms the basis of your study. Moving further, the tutorial explains how to retrieve domains and gene family member sequences from phytosome, which are crucial for studying gene evolution, structural motifs, and functional diversity. To support effective analysis, we also cover the installation and use of key bioinformatics tools, including TB tool for data visualization, MegaX for phylogenetic tree construction, and EndNote for reference management. Each tool is introduced with practical instructions, allowing you to follow along and set up your own research pipeline. By the end of this video, you will not only understand the theoretical framework of genome-wide analysis, but also gain practical skills to perform it independently using freely available resources. This guide makes genome-wide analysis more approachable, efficient, and directly applicable to research projects. Whether you're preparing a thesis, conducting professional research, or exploring plant genomics for the first time, this video will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to get started. For additional resources and tutorials, visit Plantmol.com and don't forget to subscribe for more updates in plant science and bioinformatics.